Bende Jalup jatend piny Kenya ngire Kithure Kindiki osingo ne duol mar gavanas ma pacho kae ni piny owacho biro donjore mar konyo chandruoge ma omako duol noendo. Kane oloso bura Nairobi kaendi jatelo nendo ne owacho ni deko mar omenda mag dongruok ma ichwalo ne counties ok en gima kare, kama ne osingo ni gik ma miyo omenda deko ne counties gin gigo ma inyalo ng'i malosi e yo mowinjore.
That discussion, we must face it head on and resolve it. We cannot have a situation where counties and county governments receive money, they're unable to spend it. But on the other hand, we must insist that accountability is for all of us. And therefore, we must have a way of bridging the gap between the viewpoints by the Council of Governors and the Controller of Budget to make sure that we assist both institutions, the COB and the COG, to deliver on their mandate. No institution has a right to frustrate the other. Both are pursuing legitimate interests. We must not use our mandates either to frustrate or to delay delivery of services to the people of Kenya.
Bende owacho ni ong'eyo ni omenda mar dwe mar 11 pok ogol ne counties ka olero ni biro gole e juma manyien, mak mana ni opwoyo gavanas kuom bedo gi horuok e wi wach omenda noendo.
I can confirm without fear of contradiction that the worst is behind us. The country can only now move forwards. We can only move upwards. And thank you for your patience, because in the process, some of the commitments around devolution, like disbursements of monies to counties and other obligations, have been affected by this macroeconomic turbulence. We encourage more understanding, collaboration, and consensus building as opposed to confrontational approaches to sensitive issues like devolution.
Riwruok mar jochiw thieth